everyone, this is Sheila and welcome to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, guys, I have my Nadine West for the month of May. We are going to go ahead and get into it. I've already unpacked everything to save time. I will split the screen in half, and as I'm telling you guys about the price and all that, you will also see me trying it on the other side of the screen. But I also want to let you know, if you are new to my channel, first off, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. And until May 28, 2021, I have a giveaway going on to celebrate my 1,000 subscriber mark. And it's for a $100 gift card to Walmart's. So up until May 28, 2021, if you have not entered, just click on this little video right up here where the letter I is. It'll take you there, and you can enter, and good luck to everyone. Okay, so let's go ahead. We're going to go ahead and we're going to get into some of this stuff. We're going to talk about the jewelry pieces first. Oh, and also, if you have never signed up for Nadine West, what Nadine West is a clothing subscription service. It costs $9.78 to get this shipped to you. Anything you keep in the box, the $9.78 gets credited off that item. If you would like to try it for your first time, I have a link down below where you will get free shipping on your first box, and you will also get a $10 credit off anything in your first box. So take advantage of that if you would like to try this. Okay, with that said, let's go ahead. We're going to start with the easy stuff, and then we'll work into the clothing. So we'll start with the jewelry, and as you can see, the jewelry always comes in these little baggies right here. And this one right here is a bracelet, and this is called the Janie bracelet. And this is only $7.19. Now, as you can see, excuse my hands, I was doing some yard work and my hands got cut up and I didn't have Band-Aids, so I had to improvise until I can get to the store today. But let me go ahead. This is a cute bracelet. This is only $7.19. It's just a cuff bracelet. It's pretty solid. $7.19, not bad. Oh, and another thing, I want to give Nadine West some credit. Something happened with my last bag, and some of you guys might wonder what happens in these circumstances. Here's what happened to me. Last month's box, I only kept a bracelet out of it. But after I sent it back and she received it, she charged me for the bracelet and also for a necklace that I did not keep. I put the necklace back in the bag. So, and that necklace was $40. And so I got hit with over a $50 charge on my credit card. And I'm like, why is that a $50 credit? Well, I want to give her credit because all I had to do was reach out. I emailed her, told her what happened, that I did put that necklace back in the bag. She immediately emailed me back and gave me a $40 credit off of anything that I want in this bag. And she said if I don't like anything in this bag, she will carry the credit over. And she said she's sorry that happened. So I just want, you know, when you get good customer service like that, I just want to give props to somebody like that. Okay, so this is the bracelet. Very cute. $7.19. And then this is the necklace. And this is a pretty nice necklace. And this necklace is $22.49. So let me go ahead and open it, and I am just going to keep this on here because I don't know if I'm going to keep it, but oh, it's pretty, isn't it? Look at that. Oh, hey, I really like this one. I might end up keeping this bracelet or this necklace. Let me just go on and put it over my head. Hey, what do you guys think? This would only be $22.49. And that is something else I want to tell you guys about. I have been with Nadine West for over a year. Does this say how many bags this is? I think this is my 21st bag. And when you start off, she charges you full price, but as you go on, she puts you up levels. So right now I'm on the bronze level, so I get a discount on everything. Normally this is $24.99 and it's $22.49. So I think that's kind of cute. I really like that. Yeah, that really dresses up a nice plain outfit like I got on today, huh? All right. And here comes my kitty to say hello to all of us. Now also, she has started giving away, or not giving away, putting these $50 gift cards in the box also. And if I bought this $50 gift card, it would only cost me $9, which normally, if you're a new member, it'd be $10. But for me, since I'm a bronze, it's $9. And this would be good for anybody who is a new subscriber to Nadine West. Like, I could not personally use this. I could give this to a friend who has never signed up for that. So I think that's a pretty good deal also, but I'm not going to end up purchasing this time. But maybe in a future bag, I might, if she sends this back. It seems like the last couple bags she has sent this to me. And maybe one day I will buy this and then have a surprise giveaway. But I don't think it's going to be in this video since I've already got a giveaway going on. Okay, so let's move on to the next item. And she sent me some scarves. So we'll talk about that. This one here, come on, that is a beautiful summer scarf, is it not? I just love this pattern. When I held it up, I thought it was very pretty. Let me see. This is called the Colleen Green Scarf, $15.29. So let me stand back a little bit and show this to you. It is very lightweight. It is a lovely summer scarf, especially like if you have a tank top on or something and just want something to cover your arms when you go in places or something like that. Yeah, so it's pretty, right? Very summery, I think. I think the colors lend well to the summertime. So I think this is pretty, and that's not a bad price for $15. And of course you can use it just as a normal scarf like you would any other scarf. Pretty, pretty. Okay, so let's move on to the next item, shall we? That's a possibility. I think I really like this necklace so far the most though. Okay, and now the next thing is a beach cover-up, which I'm just gonna put it on over my dress because I'm not gonna go put my bathing suit on. We're just gonna pretend, okay? And this is called a mint beach cover-up. She didn't say it's a beach cover-up, she just calls it a top, but that's what it is, and this is $23.39. Now let me hold this up to you because I really like this. This is beautiful. Look at that. Look at that floral design on that. Now what I'm gonna do is just slip this on over my head so you guys could see what it looks like. But I slipped it on just a little bit ago when I unboxed this, and I thought it was really pretty, and I think this would look lovely over any bathing suit. But as you can see, let me see if I got it on right. It's just like a poncho style. But wouldn't that look so good over a bathing suit? But I just noticed this. Look at this. This side is stitched right here, and this side popped the stitch. So, you know what? It's not that important though, is it? I don't think, like I could probably, if I end up keeping this, I would probably just pull this apart and just have it on over my head anyway. I don't see a reason why it would have to be stitched there on the side, but it's pretty cute. I don't think it's a bad price, and I think it would make a really, really cute beach cover-up. Okay, so let's go on to the next item. Now the next items are all going to be clothes that I will be trying on, and you will see me on the side of the video trying these on. Okay, so we're going to start with this top right here. And this is a little white and pink polka dot top, and I think this is kind of cute. This has promise. I haven't tried it on yet, but you will be seeing me try this on the side. And this is $23.39 if I'm reading the right label. Now this is pretty nice because it's not, it has a, it's 2 layers, so I really appreciate that about it. And a white and pink polka dot tank top. I mean, who can go wrong with that, right? So you guys will be seeing me try this on. It depends on how it fits, if it lays right, but I kind of like that. So we will see how it looks. You will be seeing it before I do. That's the funny part about how I'm filming this video today. And then also we have this top here, which to me looks kind of like a beach cover-up too. But I'm actually going to put this on probably over that polka dot tank top so you guys can see it. This is a blue navy top, and I think this one is $22.04. Now, she doesn't have any pictures on her cards here, so if I'm giving the wrong price, when I edit this video, I will be putting the correct prices at the bottom of the screen. But this definitely looks like a beach cover-up, even though it would be a very short beach cover-up, but that could be what it's for. Now, if you can see right here, it has 2 pockets in the front, and it also have these 2 little tie strings right here on the side. And then it also has a split detail on the side also. So very lightweight sheer, and definitely would probably go good over a beach cover-up, or as a beach cover-up, I should say. Okay, now the rest, I have 3 items, and 2 of them are dresses, but one pair is these leggings. And yeah, what she is calling these leggings are their Modesty Capri leggings. And these are $14.84. And this is in the color sand, but it's definitely my skin color, so it would not be worn as real pants, but it could be used under a dress just for some confidence, you know, in case the wind blows or something, that you have something underneath. I don't know. I'm probably not going to buy something like this. Okay, and then the next dress out is this. And this is, I love a good floral. And this is a dress called Navy Floral for $37.79. Yeah, now as you can see, I like a dress, but this floral, it looks like a juvenile floral to me. It doesn't look like a more mature, for lack of better words, floral that I would like. This looks very like for a teenage, early 20s kind of person. Ignore the talking head lady over there because we're not going to listen to her, because when I opened this, I thought it looked very juvenile, but my husband saw it on me and he really liked it. And when I put it on, I think I kind of like it too. So maybe I was being too harsh on it. It has some cute little pockets right here. I like where it hits me. It fits me nice. It's not too snug anywhere. So maybe, see, this is why, you know, sometimes you're blind, and when you put it on, you're kind of like, oh, well, maybe I was being a little harsh. So I think this was a case where I was being a little harsh. So this is a definite possibility. Okay, and then the next dress out is this. And this looks exactly the same shape and design of dress I have on right now. And this is the white red animal print, and it's $37.79. Now, as you can see, I mean, this is carbon copy to what I have on. But this is the way it looks. I'm unsure about this because I don't know if I like this pattern or not. So you guys will have to let me know what you think when you see this on me, if I should keep this or not. So anyway, guys, that is my video for today. I don't know what I'm keeping at this point. I haven't tried those dresses on. Let me know what your favorites were. And like I said, I have a $50 credit in this bag. But if I decide not to keep anything, she did reassure me that she would carry it over to the next bag. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you on my next one. Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah. Fun, 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 fun.